Welcome to our step-by-step guide on setting up your Etsy shop. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on more valuable guides like this one. What's up, guys? This is Max Wealth with my AI assistant Pixel by my side, welcoming you back to the channel. We are back with the latest money-making secrets. But first, if you are new here, you have come to the right place. Get ready to buckle up your seatbelt because we're about to unlock the next groundbreaking money-making strategy. Step 1. Sign up and set up your shop. First, open your web browser and type in Etsy.com. Once the page loads, look for the Sell on Etsy link, which you can usually find at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to start your seller journey. After clicking Sell on Etsy, you'll be directed to a new page. Here, you'll see an option to Open your Etsy shop. Click on this to proceed. It's the first big step in turning your passion into a business. You'll now be asked to set some initial preferences for your shop. This includes choosing the shop language, which is the language your shop will appear in, the country, which determines your market and currency, and the currency you'll use for listing your products. These settings help tailor the Etsy experience to you and your future customers. After selecting these, click Save and Continue to move to the next step. Choosing the right settings here is crucial for ensuring that you're reaching your target audience in the correct region and displaying prices in a currency that makes sense for your main customer base. Step 2. Choose your shop name. Now it's time to decide on a shop name. This name will be the first impression customers have of your brand, so make it memorable and relevant to what you're selling. Think about your brand identity and how you can convey it in a few words. Once you've brainstormed a few ideas, type your preferred shop name into the provided field. Etsy will check if the name is unique. Remember, your shop name must be one of a kind on Etsy, so if your first choice is taken, you may need to get creative and think of alternatives. After finding a unique name, click Check Availability. If Etsy confirms the name is available, you'll see a confirmation message. Click Save and Continue to secure your shop name and proceed with the setup process. Your shop name should reflect your brand and what you sell. It's a good idea to avoid using too many numbers or characters that might be difficult for customers to remember or spell. If you're stuck, try combining words that describe your products with words that reflect your ethos or personality. Before finalizing your shop name, do a quick internet search to ensure it's not only unique on Etsy, but also not heavily associated with another business outside of Etsy. This can help avoid confusion and build a distinct identity for your brand. Keep it simple, memorable, and easy to spell. You want your shop name to stick in customers' minds and be easy for them to find again. If you're finding these insights helpful, take a moment to hit the like button. It supports our channel and helps us bring more content like this to you. Hey, if this video has been useful to you, please take a moment to share it. I've poured endless hours into bringing these strategies for you. If it takes 15 seconds to click on this and send it to a friend or share it on your socials, it would mean the world to me, and might even mean the world to someone else. Step 3. Stock your shop. Begin by clicking the Add a Listing button in your shop manager. This is where your journey from creator to seller truly begins. Each listing you add is a potential sale and a chance to showcase your creativity to the world. Uploading photos. Photos are the first thing customers will notice, so they need to make a strong impression. Upload clear, well-lit photos of each item. You can upload up to 10 photos per item, so take advantage of this. Show your item from different angles. Highlight important details, and if possible, include a photo of the item in use. Good lighting and a clean background can significantly enhance your product's appeal. Natural light often works best for product photography. Try taking photos during the day in a well-lit room or near a window. Avoid direct sunlight, which can create harsh shadows. Use a plain background to keep the focus on your product. Filling in item details. Now, detail is key. For each item, fill in the title, description, and price. Use keywords in your title and description that potential buyers might use when searching for items like yours. This helps improve your search visibility on Etsy and beyond. Think like a buyer. What words would you use to search for your item? Include these in your title and description. Be specific and descriptive. Use tools like Etsy's search bar to see popular related searches. Unlock your full earning potential with our free app. It's your roadmap to wealth, filled with exclusive tips and complete step-by-step master guides to get you earning online. Download now. Android and iOS links in the description. Setting inventory and shipping. Specify how many of each item you have available in the inventory section. Then, set your shipping details. Be accurate with your shipping times and costs. Consider offering international shipping to reach more customers. Research the best shipping options for your products. If you're just starting, you might find it easier to ship domestically. As you grow, you can explore international shipping. Use Etsy's calculated shipping feature to help determine accurate shipping costs based on the buyer's location and your shipping preferences. Saving your listing. Before clicking Save and Continue, review all the information you've entered to ensure it's accurate and complete. This is your opportunity to make any final adjustments. Once you're satisfied, save your listing to make it live on your shop. Your listings are the heart of your Etsy shop. Spend time perfecting each one. Great photos, detailed descriptions, and the right keywords can set you apart from the competition. Remember, your listings are not set in stone. You can always come back to update photos, tweak descriptions, and adjust prices based on what's working and what's not. If you enjoyed this video, then you won't want to miss any of our upcoming content. Smash that subscribe button and join our community of forward thinkers. Together, we're on a quest to discover the internet's wealth. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, and let's grow together. Step 4. Set up payment preferences. As you embark on this next step, consider how you'd like to receive payments from your customers. Etsy provides options for direct bank transfers or using PayPal. Think about what's most convenient for you and your customers. Each method has its pros and cons, so it's worth taking a moment to decide. If you choose direct bank transfers, you'll need to provide your bank account details securely on Etsy. This method allows earnings to be deposited directly into your account. For PayPal, ensure your account is set up and linked to your Etsy shop. PayPal might be a quicker option for accessing your funds, but check if there are any fees involved. Entering bank details. If you opt for direct bank transfers, enter your bank account information as prompted. Ensure the details are accurate to avoid any delays in receiving payments. Etsy's platform is secure, so your information is kept safe. Double-check your account number and sort code or routing number. Mistakes here can lead to payment delays. If you're unsure, you can usually find this information on your bank statement or online banking portal. Setting up PayPal. To set up PayPal, follow Etsy's prompts to connect your existing PayPal account to your shop. If you don't have a PayPal account, you'll need to create one. PayPal offers the convenience of instant payments, but be aware of any transaction fees. Ensure that the email address linked to your PayPal account is the same one you use for Etsy. This helps streamline transactions and simplifies record keeping. Etsy charges fees for listings, transactions, and payment processing. You'll need to specify how you want to pay these fees. You can use a credit card, debit card, or your PayPal account. This is separate from how you receive payments for sales. Choose a payment method for your fees that you check regularly. This ensures you're always aware of any charges and can manage your shop's finances effectively. Enjoying the insights? Help us empower more people like you by hitting that like button. It's a simple click for you, but a giant leap for our community. Your support helps us reach and inspire more aspiring digital earners worldwide. Once you've entered your payment and billing information, review everything to ensure accuracy. Then, click Save and Continue. This finalizes your payment setup, bringing you one step closer to selling on Etsy. Setting up your payment preferences is a critical step in your Etsy journey. It's about more than just how you get paid. It's about ensuring a smooth transaction process for you and your customers. Take your time to set this up correctly, and you'll be on your way to a successful selling experience. Transform your Etsy hobby into a profitable business with our free app. Get access to over 60 master guides, including essential blueprints for Etsy success. It's all you need to elevate your idea into a thriving online store. Download now from the link in our description. Start your journey to becoming an online entrepreneur. Your dream business awaits. Let's achieve it together. Step 5. Open your shop. Before taking the big leap, take a moment to go through every detail of your shop. This includes your shop name, banner, descriptions, and listings. Make sure everything is exactly how you want it. This is like the final check before opening your store to the world. Opening your shop. Found at the bottom or top of your shop setup page, there's a button labeled Open Your Shop. When you're confident everything is set up correctly, click this button. Congratulations! Your shop is now live and you're officially an Etsy seller. It might feel daunting to open your shop to the public, but remember, you can always make changes and improvements as you go. Monetizing your Etsy shop. SEO optimization. SEO, or search engine optimization, is how you make sure people can find your products through search, both on Etsy and in search engines like Google. Use keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags that potential buyers might use to search for items like yours. Think about what you would search for if you were looking for a product like yours. Tools like Etsy's search bar suggest popular search terms. Etsy ads can help you get your listings in front of more eyes, especially when you're just starting and building your shop's reputation. You can set a daily budget to control costs while experimenting with ads to see what works best for your products. Start with a small budget and focus on advertising your best-selling or most attractive items. Social media. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to share your products and shop updates. Social media is a powerful tool for building a brand and connecting with potential customers. Post regularly, use relevant hashtags, and engage with your followers. Consider creating behind-the-scenes content or sharing stories about your creative process. Customer engagement. Excellent customer service can set you apart from competitors. Respond quickly to questions, personalize orders when possible, and always follow up to ensure customer satisfaction. A personalized thank you note with each order can make a big difference, and encourage customers to return or leave positive reviews. Reviews. Positive reviews are crucial for building trust with potential customers. Encourage your buyers to leave feedback by following up after a purchase and making the process as easy as possible for them. You might send a follow-up message thanking them for their purchase and gently reminding them to leave a review if they were satisfied with their order. Opening your Etsy shop is just the beginning. By focusing on SEO, utilizing Etsy ads, engaging on social media, providing excellent customer service, and encouraging reviews, you can start to see real success. Remember, growth takes time, so be patient and persistent. Got questions or need clarification? Your curiosity drives our mission. Leave your questions in the comments below, and I'll help steer you towards success. And that's a wrap on setting up your Etsy shop. What part of the process are you most excited to try? Or do you have any questions? Let's tackle these challenges together and unlock new levels of online earnings. I hope that this information has helped you in some way. Remember, to take action, that is what will bring you closer to financial independence. It took hours of hard work to bring this content to you for free. If it takes 5 seconds to hit the like button or share it with a friend, it would absolutely mean the world to me and Pixel, and might even mean the world to someone else. And don't forget to watch the rest of the videos on our channel to find the online money-making method that works best for you. Take care, friends. Until next time, we are out. Peace.